cranky napper. Just woke up from a nap, huh? Hello, little mugs. Huh? Got a drink of water. And then what? You gonna nap again? Papa's home. Papa go, huh? Papa went downstairs, took down your poop to the dumpster. What a quiet cat. He doesn't make any peep. Even when he gets hurt, he falls on his back, doesn't make a sound. Run into the glass door, doesn't make a sound. Doesn't whine, doesn't cry. What a good kitty. Only 3 months old. So born in May, not sure exactly what day. We only know he was born in May. And then a stray cat adopted.